Hello again to university students. My name is Jimmy Burke. As students cannot travel due to COVID-19, I've recorded a video for your virtual event. First and foremost, I'm only going to talk for 5 minutes. I'm going to tell you about my work during COVID-19. I'm speaking to you from Limerick in Ireland. Limerick is Ireland's third largest city. I work at the University of Limerick, which is attended by 15,000 students. And in the photo here, you can see our university library. So in my video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and how COVID-19 impacted my work. Most importantly, in a few moments, I will talk about an exciting opportunity that emerged due to COVID-19. I will also talk about the current COVID-19 situation in Ireland and some practical steps people are following to minimise the spread of the virus. So, a little bit about myself. I'm a qualified physiotherapist for over 9 years. These are some of the areas where I've worked: University Hospital Limerick, Limerick Primary Care Services and West Limerick Children's Services. I now work as interprofessional practice tutor at the University of Limerick. So what's an interprofessional practice tutor? That's what everybody asks me, and it's a very good question, so let me explain. Interprofessional education occurs when students from two or more professions learn about, from and with each other to enable effective collaboration and to improve health outcomes. My role is to develop practice-based IPE. So practice-based IPE occurs when students from two or more professions learn and work at the same clinical site. I also facilitate practice-based IPE as part of my work. So since the global pandemic, my work life has seen some changes. I've been working from home for the last 7 months. I've also supported our students to use telehealth for placements when students could not go on site for placements. But COVID-19 has also offered up some opportunities. An intermediate care facility, or ICF, was opened on the university campus on the 8th of June 2020. The ICF is a fully staffed 68-bed hospital facility. It was opened in a repurposed university sports arena on campus. So the ICF provides care to patients who are fit for discharge from acute hospitals, but who may benefit from additional rehab during the COVID-19 pandemic. The ICF gave students a unique IPE opportunity as physiotherapy, speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, and human nutrition and dietetics students from our School of Allied Health were co-located in the ICF for their placements. I facilitated IPE on site for students, and now I'm facilitating IPE online. The response of students has been extremely positive to this IPE experience. The students have reported that they're learning more about other professions, they're improving their interprofessional communication, and that they're also experiencing interprofessional collaboration. The COVID-19 situation in Ireland. The first case of COVID-19 was reported on the 29th of February. On the 12th of March, all schools and colleges closed in Ireland. On the 27th of March, our head of government, or Taoiseach, he advised that people must stay at home for 2 weeks and we're only allowed to leave home for essential work, to shop for food, and to exercise within 2 kilometres of our homes. This lockdown was extended for a further 3 weeks before these restrictions were eased somewhat. So as you can see from the graph, daily cases and deaths declined in Ireland during June and early July. However, there's been an increase in cases from mid-July. So Ireland is moving from a short-term emergency response to a medium-term approach to managing risk. As you can see, as of the 12th of October, the total confirmed cases in Ireland is now 43,351. Practical measures for Irish people. A framework for restrictive measures has been developed to help us go about our daily lives as much as possible while minimising the spread of the virus. Level 1 is the lowest level of restrictions and level 5 is the highest. We are currently at level 3 restrictions. As you can see, these restrictions at the moment state that a maximum of 6 people from one other household can visit your home. There's no matches or sporting events with the exception of professional sports. In relation to travel, you must stay in your county apart from work, education and medical purposes. Our schools are open but with protective measures. Restaurants and cafes are open for takeaway and delivery, and we must continue to adhere to social distancing and wearing of face masks. That is my short video on my work, and I hope this video has given you an insight into my role during COVID-19 and some opportunities that arose. So this is only a 5-minute talk. I could talk for a lot longer, but I wanted to share my experience with you, and that I very much hope that you enjoyed watching and that you have an enjoyable online event. Thank you.